Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Gas prices are going up tomorrow, tempering the 3 consecutive weeks of decline up to last Thursday. A liter of 87 gasoline will cost $2.63 more. 90 gasoline will increase by $1.52, that is. The price of automotive diesel will go up by $2.90. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will cost $1.25 more. $3.06 will be added to the cost of kerosene. Propane will go for 18 cents more and butane will gain 17 cents. Meanwhile, on the global market, oil prices steadied after OPEC and its allies agreed to stick to their existing policy of gradual oil output increases. Brent crude for October delivery dropped 4 cents to settle at $71.59 a barrel. Now back home, a number of cruise ships are expected to call on Jamaica's ports, and that's in the coming weeks. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett told the Business Day that more than 20 cruise ships are scheduled to dock in Jamaica before the end of the year.
And we expect that the cruise activity will pick up over the next few weeks. This week we should have another. And then we will see other cruise lines coming in from Montego Bay and Falmouth. So expecting between now and the end of the year to have somewhere in the region of about 25 calls, and we could have in the region of a little over 100,000 cruise visitors. So we are seeing that we could end the year with 1.7 to 1.8 million visitors, and we'll be earning somewhere in the region of $2.5 billion US.
Now, cruise tourism resumed on August 16 for the first time in 17 months due to the COVID-19 pandemic, with Carnival's Sunrise docking at Ocherous Pier in St. Anne. The vessel has so far made 2 calls, which brought in more than 4,000 passengers. Meanwhile, Mr. Bartlett gave the latest arrival figures, which show Jamaica is inching closer to the 1 million visitor arrivals.
As of Monday this week, right, we would have brought in 972,000 visitors for the year so far, and that earned a little over $1.2 billion US. We've been able to bring back, at the moment, pretty close to 60,000 workers so far, and that's all going well for us.
Now, the Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, last week reported that tourism grew by 330.7% for the April to June quarter compared to the same period last year. It's costing an average $152.06 to purchase the U.S. currency. The Canadian dollar is trading at $121.37, the pound for $209.73, and $181.30 for the euro. The GSE index declined by 396 points, while the junior market index gained 24 points. Among today's winners were T-Tech, The Lab, Paramount Trading, Cargo Handlers, and Dolphin Cove, while on the losing side were Productive Business Solutions' 9.75% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Palace Amusement, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Portland JSX, and the KLE Group. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. News from the region and across the world right after the break.